Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. An ant with a subtle program in its mind was looking at some nectar when a dragonfly swooped to taste from the flower's cup. It flitted away and came again, swooped. This time the ant said, "You live without labor and you have no plan. As you have no real or comparative purpose, what is the dominant feature of your life and where will it end?" Said the dragonfly, "I am happy and I seek pleasure. This is the existence and objective enough. My aim is to have no aim. You may plan as you will, you cannot convince me that there is anything better. You to your plan, me to mine." The ant thought, "That which is visible to me is invisible to him. He does not know what happens to ants, while I know what happens to dragonflies. Him to his plan, I to mine." And the ant went his way, for he had admonished as far as was possible in the circumstances. Some time later, their paths crossed again. The ant had found a butcher's shop, and he was standing under the chopping block with awaiting what would come to him. The dragonfly, seeing the red meat from above, came gliding down and settled on it. At that moment, the butcher's chopper descended and cut the dragonfly in two. One half of the body rolled onto the floor at the feet of the ant. Taking up the corpse and starting to drag it towards his nest, the ant recited to himself, "His plan is finished and mine continues. He to his plan is ended, me to mine begins a cycle." Pride seemed important. It was a temporary thing, a life of eating, to end with being eaten by something else. When I suggested this, all he could think was that I was spoiling his joy. So whenever the sages suggest us something, we think that they are spoiling our joys. Beware of that.